awesome SaaS Pro Facebook group. We've got the link in below. It's completely free to join. We want you to join. We want you in as a SaaS Pro. We also have guides in here. We give away lots of free stuff. So be sure to jump in our Facebook group, facebookgroup.com/groups/SaaS Pro, and we'll see you inside the group. So how do you add your code to make your awesome dashboard look the way you want it to look? Let me show you how easy this is. So if you are using the theme builder, it's very easy. The instructions are right here, but the bottom line is you're going to want to embed the JavaScript and the custom import codes. So you're just basically going to copy these, and inside of your agency login, your main agency login, you're going to go to company. You're going to scroll down here, and this is where you're going to add the script to the theme builder script right here. And then over here, we've got the custom CSS. And let me go back over here, and you will see that I put the custom builder CSS right there. So all I did was copy and paste these under the company. So this is, like I said, inside of your agency account. Then if you want to install and you're ready to use the customizer, when you click on customizer, all you're going to do is copy this script. So you'll see I've got this script right here for the customizer. Let me go ahead and go back to my agency account. And when you scroll down here, you're going to see the script right here for the agency customizer. So once you add these scripts, both scripts will allow you to preview, and then of course click update company, but both scripts will allow you to basically, let me go back to the theme funnel. So when you're looking at something in draft mode, and let's just say you want to preview this before you publish it, you can open the open draft real-time preview. So that's what's really helpful about having that script set up right here. You can actually export the codes as well, but if you're like us, make sure you put in your HighLevel domain as well when you're setting this up. And then this is where I put in the preview embed script, and all I did was go to settings and preview. So we copied this, the dynamic preview, and that we put in here under the script. You'll copy your JavaScript, you'll copy your CSS script, and you'll see right here in settings, it also brings us in for the global. And then there are other cool things with your Chrome extension if you're wanting to do magic CSS, which is a whole different video itself. But to get started, that's all you're going to do. So in Theme Builder, you're going to hit Get Started or Setting, copy these codes, and then put them inside of your agency under your company profile. This sets everything across the board. And then over here, when you go into the GHL customizer, you're going to copy this simple tiny script right here, and you're going to put it inside of your agency level company right there. And I put those together, looks great, and it's working. So I can see my preview with the grayed out button. I can see my active things, and when I'm ready to publish, I can publish. And that's how easy it is to set up the code for Theme Builder and or the Go HighLevel Customizer.